Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of February 2024 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of February 2024 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Sun controls your 8th house, and right now Sun is moving in your first house, means right now Sun is moving in your ascendant. Eighth house will be the sudden events, your longevity, your chronic disease seen from eighth house, your ups and downs in life is seen from eighth house, your hidden activities, your secret activities also seen from eighth house, your sexual activity, sexual organs and extramarital affairs are also seen from eighth house. So right now, eighth house lord is moving in your first house till 14th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. So till 14th February, we can expect great result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your health related matter, and your fame related matter. Because right now your first house, your ascendant is in a strong position because Mars is moving in its exalted position in your first house. Because whenever Mars is moving in Capricorn sign, Mars considered as an exalted position. So right now your eighth house, certain events Lord is moving in your first house till 14th February 2024. That's why we can expect good result for you people in the month of February. You will suddenly get a good result regarding your health related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and your work related matter. You will also accumulate a lot of fame in the month of February if your work is somehow connected to fame, like if you're a politician, actor, or celebrity, etc. etc. So we can expect these results from Sun till 14th February 2024. After 14th February, when Sun will move from your first house to your second house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving in its own sign, means right now your second house is in a strong position. So after 14th February, when your 8th house lord will be moving in your second house, and from second house, Sun will also aspect your 8th house, means its own house. So we can expect great result regarding your money related matter, regarding your family related matter, and your in-laws related matter as well if you are married right now. Because second house deal with your family history is seen from second house, your early upbringing is seen from second house, your savings, your money matter is seen from second house, your speech, your food intake habit, and mouth region is also seen from second house. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Capricorn ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Mercury controls your sixth house and your ninth house. And right now, your sixth house and ninth house Lord is moving in your first house in the sign of Capricorn, where Mars and Sun is already moving. Mercury is just moved from your 12th house to your first house after 2nd February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn, and Mercury will stay in your first house till 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius in your second house. Sixth house will be your court case, litigation, arguments, your fights is seen from sixth house, your daily routine, your debt, your loans is seen from sixth house, your hidden enemies and your competition, your competition is also seen from sixth house. Ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, your higher education is seen from ninth house, your travel means your long distance travel is seen from ninth house, your travel related to religious purpose is also seen from ninth house, your mentors, your lawyers, your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. So right now your sixth house and ninth house lord is moving in your first house in the sign of Capricorn till 20th February. So till 20th February we can expect great result regarding your competition related matter if you are dealing with some competition court case in the month of February, because your sixth house lord is moving in your first house, and first house right now in an exalted position because Mars is already moving in your first house. So Mars will give you strength to withstand all your enemies and competition in the month of February. Also, ninth house Lord is moving in your first house till 20th February 2024. So if you want to travel somewhere in the month of February, or if you are planning and if you are previously planning to travel somewhere in the month of February, then we can expect great result regarding your health related matter, regarding your personality related matter, and all the aspects of life, because your ninth house also deal with your love related matter. But we should not forget that Ketu is right now moving in your ninth house after 30th October 2023, as we discussed previously in Rahu Ketu transit video. And right now, Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your first house till 20th February 2024. You may face some difficulties regarding your religious inclination and religious concept, but in the month of February, till Mercury is moving in your first house, you will get a lot of good result regarding your ninth house related matter, and you will get a fortune related. Means you will be lucky in means you will be proved lucky in the month of February till 20th February, till Mercury is moving in your first house. After 20th of February, your sixth house and ninth house Lord will be moving in your second house in the sign of Aquarius, where Saturn is already moving. And Mercury and Saturn considered as friends in astrology. So when your ninth house and sixth house Lord will be moving your second house, we can expect great result regarding your ninth house related matter, because Saturn will support Mercury in the month of February when Mercury will move to your second house, because Saturn Mercury considered as friend in astrology. Also, your sixth house Lord will be moving in your second house, and sixth, second, and 10th house is always connected to your work related matter and earnings from work, as we discussed in previous videos. So after 20th of February, we can expect great result regarding your savings related matter, regarding your money related matter, and the accumulation of gains from your work in the month of February, because of Saturn is present in your second house. Saturn will support your sixth house Lord and your ninth house Lord after 20th February 2024. So we can expect these results from Mercury for all the Capricorn Ascendant people in the month of February. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Capricorn Ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your fifth house. And right now your fifth house and 10th house Lord is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Fifth house deal with your mental abilities, your planning abilities seen from fifth house, your early education is seen from fifth house, your children, your love relationships, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance related matter is also seen from fifth house, and your fun activity is also seen from fifth house. 10th house deal with your work environment is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career, in your business, and in your occupation is also seen from 10th house. Your superior, your bosses, and your fame, how much authority you will have in your life is also seen from 10th house, and your fame along with 7th house is also seen from 10th house. So right now 10th house and 5th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with your foreign settlement, your expenses and losses seen from 12th house, your spirituality related matters seen from 12th house, your donation ability to do donation is seen from 12th house, your isolations means hospitals, jails, asylums, all of these matters seen from 12th house. Your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. So your fifth house and 10th house Lord is moving in your 12th house. So if your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or your earnings is coming from foreign land, or your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or you are working in a multinational company, then we can expect great result for you people regarding your work related matter till 11 February 2024, because Venus is present in your 12th house till 11 February 2024. After 11 February, Venus will move to your first house in the sign of Capricorn. So till 11 February, till Venus is moving in your 12th house, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter if your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or your work in a multinational company, or your earnings is coming from foreign land. Also your fifth house Lord, which controls your children's, your early education, and your mental abilities, will be moving in your 12th house. First of all, we can expect you will do a lot of imagination, a lot of unexpected thoughts will come into your mind in the month of February till Venus is moving in your 12th house, because 12th house also, because from 12th house we also see your imagination and your mental abilities. Lord will be moving in your 12th house. Also we can expect if you have children right now and they want to go some foreign land for its study purpose, then we can expect good time for them in the month of February for their study travel related matter in the month of February. After 11th of February, when your 5th house and 10th house lord will be moving in your first house, where Mars is already present in its exalted position, then we can expect great result regarding your children's related matter, regarding your mental abilities related matter, regarding your love relationship, if you have any love relationship in your life. Also, you will also get a chance to convert your love relationship after 11th February 2024 into marriage, if you want to convert your love relationship into marriage, because from first house Venus will also respect your seventh house of marriage, house of spouse, and house of business partnership, etc., etc. 10th house lord will be moving in your first house after 11th February 2024. So after 11th February, you will also get a great result regarding your work related matter and your fame related matter, if your work is somehow connected to fame, because your first house right now is in a strong position, means your ascendant is a strong position, means you are in a strong position. So after 11th February, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter and your fifth house related matter in the month of February. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, moon controls your seventh house, and right now moon is moving in your 12th house in the sign of Sagittarius. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6 February 2024, and on the basis of 6 February we are predicting for whole month, because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties are always associated with these house. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Mars controls your fourth house and your 11th house. And right now Mars is moving in your first house in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth house deal with your home, your properties, your vehicle is seen from fourth house, your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house, your comfort in life is also seen from fourth house, your happiness and your emotional peace is also seen from fourth house. 11th house deal with your gains, your incoming gains seen from 11th house in the form of money, in the form of respect, in the form of authority. All of these things seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment, hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. Your elder brothers and sisters also seen from 11th house. Your friend circle and professional network circle is also seen from 11th house. So your fourth house and 11th house lord will be moving in your first house in the sign of Capricorn, and right now Mars is moving in its exalted position in your first house. Means right now your ascendant is in a very strong position, and Mars is just moved from your 12th house to your first house after 6 February 2024. And in the month of February, Mars will approximately whole month will be moving in your first house in the sign of Capricorn. First of all, we will talk about fourth house. Now, your fourth house is occupied by Jupiter. Jupiter will expand the significance of your fourth house. Whenever Jupiter is present in any house, Jupiter will expand the significance of that house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your fourth house, and from fourth house, Mars is taking Jupiter's energy in your first house, and Mars is also in an exalted position. So, first of all, if you are a politician and you are competing someone in the month of February, or you are competing in any other exam or anything, you're competing in anything, you will get a support of your homeland people in the month of February, because Jupiter is present in your fourth house. Also we can expect great result regarding your properties, vehicles related matter. You will also purchase something in the month of February for your home, or you will purchase some vehicles and conveniences related matter in the month of February. Also, if you are dealing with some property matters right now, then we can expect you will get a great deals in the month of February due to presence of 11th house and 4th house lord in your first house in the month of February. So we can expect these results from Mars for all the Capricorn and people in the month of February. We will have four major astrological events in the month of February. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your first house, and Sun will stay in your first house till 14 February 2024. After 14 February, Sun will move to your second house in the sign of Aquarius. Second major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your first house, and Mercury just moved from your 12th house to your first house after 2nd February 2024, and Mercury will move from your first house to second house after 20th February 2024 in the sign of Aquarius. Third major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your first house, and Mars is just moved from your 12th house to your first house after 6 February 2024 in the sign of Capricorn. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 12th house, and Venus will stay in your 12th house till 11 February 2024. After 11 February, Venus will move from your 12th house to your first house in the sign of Capricorn. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of February 2024 for all the Capricorn Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.